Hello everyone, my name is Jarvis Chen. I'm from Weidmüller Division Cabinet Products. Now, I'm the product support for digital signaling products within Asia regions. Today, I would like to share with you our new products, TERMSERIES push-in. As you can see, the dimension keeps the existing slim size. And let's try to study what's the key benefits from our new products.
Now, let's talk about the features and advantages of our TERMSERIES push-in. First, the ejection lever with integrated marker channels. I think this function is quite similar like our existing TERMSERIES screw version and tension clamp version. We can push the ejection lever to change our relay. Even the lever is integrated with our large LED display. TERMSERIES is quite slim size to help us and customer to save the space of the control cabinet. We provide 6.4 mm and 12.8 mm, two types for customer's choice. Continuous cross connection. For TERMSERIES push-in, we can use existing ZQV cross connector and recently launched TCC cross connector to help the user realize the cross connection with each potential. As we use push-in technology, we can help customer to save the wiring time and improve their wiring efficiency. Customer can use the pusher when they need to pull out the wiring, and we integrated the test pole. If you need to test with our multimeters, we can use this benefit design. What's more, our TERMSERIES push-in has won German Design Awards winner 2020 recently. So, when we promote TERMSERIES push-in, we will see the logo with our flyer and poster. The takeaway message is, regarding to the price, TERMSERIES push-in has the same price as screw and tension clamp type. So for the existing customers, it's quite convenient for them to choose our new articles with same price. let's talk about the target markets. I think it's quite common for term series as the slim design and multi-function. For example, we have lots of customers from machinery industry, some like tobacco machine, package machine, even have some big port machine, since we have DNVGL approvals which can be used for the shipbuilding and offshore application. Lift and elevator, since this kind of customer has high requirement for limited cabinet space in their control cabinet. Now we have a lot of famous lift and elevator manufacturers already use our term series. New energy, such as hydraulic, wind energy, even EV cars, recharge station. For example, for the wind energy, in their blade control cabinet, they have high demand for the space saving, even for the application with a lot of vibration. If the customer use the push-in connection, it has high pull-out force to ensure tight connection against vibration environment. Process. As we know, in process DCS system, they have lot of output channels which also have the high demand for the space saving. For industry automation, a lot of customers will use our term series solid-state relay for high frequency application. Even they have requirement for long lifetime and low loss and low noise. But I think we don't need to focus the target customers. We need to work together to explore more potential markets and customers. To help our sales and customer to choose our term series pushing, I try to make a cross-reference for term series high runner articles among screw connection, tension clamp connection, and pushing connection. For example, our high runner would be 24 volt DC, one changeover, or 24 volt DC, two changeover. You can use the matrix table for your replacements. Meanwhile, we also list several articles with common usage among industries. Hope the cross-reference can help you select the suitable articles faster. To promote our new product, Term Series Pushing, as we have already won German Design Award winner 2020, I prepared a promotion slogan in Chinese. It's called 为你而变，德系经典，迷你空间，乐享直连. Since we changed existing type from screw and tension clamp version to push-in version, and term series can represent classical German style. Slim size can help the customer to save space, and the user can enjoy the benefit of push-in connection. If you know the Chinese name of Weidmüller, it's called Weidmüller. So that's the first letter of each sentence. I think we can help with each other to develop the promotion slogan in your own language. Let's have a try. Along with the release of term series pushing, we have improved existing ZQV cross connection to new term series connection, TCC series. Here is several features and benefits. For example, we have improved the design to increase the stability and strengthen contact system to avoid deformation and anti-vibration. We provide more articles with flexibility to customer. For example, maximum posts can be up to 55, and during real application, we can use up to 32 posts. Regarding to the handling of TCC connection, we have prepared several types of videos with multi-language. For the detailed key facts, for example, for one changeover type, we can provide 2, 10, and 51 posts. For two changeover, we can provide 26 posts. As we have mentioned before, maximum usage posts could be up to 32 posts in your application. The rated current is 17 ampere. We provide 4 common used colors for customers' choice. As To promote our new products, term series pushing, and TCC cross connector, we have prepared several sales tools. In terms of documents, we have delivered product launch notes, brochure for customer and seminar fair usage. If you want to have detailed information such as parameter and tech spec, we can search the online catalog with article and part number and download datasheets for each article. As we have played 2 animation videos, I think we can leverage the digital resource to show to your customer and end user. I think it's quite useful. Don't forget to leverage our WMC software. Thanks. The new articles of term series pushing and TCC cross connector have already been integrated to the latest version of WMC. If you have upgraded your software, you can find the 3D model and design your graphic. For customer demo, we can use our sample reel with different type of term series pushing and TCC cross connector. Last but not least, we can work each other to deliver newsletter and product launch notes on your social media platform, such as Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So, that's our introduction part for new products. Should you have any question or feedback, feel free to contact me via below methods. We are one Weidmüller. Let's connect. Thank you for your attention.